Here we are on the Mog again. Today I'm going to do the portal axle oils. I know there's a lot of people mention these because they only hold a small amount. You need to keep an eye on them. So this is the first time I've done these since I've bought this truck. So we'll see what we find. So this is your front one of the front ones, driver's side. The first one I'm going to do. That's your drain plug. That's your fill and level check plug. So I've got my bottle, I've cut in half, so I'm going to drain that into there, and then we'll be able to see if I've got anything that shouldn't be in there, or if there's no bits of metal or anything come out in the oil. So let's have a look. Well, we've got something in there, which is a good sign. It doesn't look bad either, actually, it looks alright. $19mm these, both of them. So still draining, but I've just slackened this filler plug off. I'm going to take that off. Might let a bit of air in, might let it drain out faster. There we go, let's get a bit of air in now. The oil actually looks really clean that's coming out. I wonder if the guy who had this before me had done these. It's quite a bit. I'll double check the book. I think it's 250mm we should have in them. It's looking like that's about what's come out, so that's a good sign as well. Nearly empty now, last few drops coming out. We'll have a look at this oil, see what it looks like. So the oil don't look too bad. Honestly, it's quite clear. I don't think it's been in there that long. And we've definitely got 250mm there, so quite happy with that. Can't see any bits of metal anywhere in it. I've had a look round. I'll tip it out and have a closer look, but looks pretty good. So I've a tub here for waste oil. What I'm going to do is on the bottle here, I'm just going to put a little mark roughly where it is, just because I can see when I drain the other ones if they've got roughly the same amount in. Tip this one here now. Since I'm my filler capped in bottle at the bottom of this, so I dropped it in. Yeah. It's clean oil as that. So you plug out the drain port. I don't know if it's that standard and it's the same on them all or what, or if it's just this has been swapped, but it's a magnetic one. There was no crap stuck to that, so again that's another good sign. There's no bits of metal floating about. So just make sure that when you put these back in, you put this one in your drain port at the bottom of the hub. Right, we'll go refill it. I'm using this Morris EP80W90 oil. EP is just extreme pressure, apparently it's a bit better for reduction hubs. And I'm going to use this syringe that I've got, 150ml syringe, with a bit of tube on it, so it should be pretty easy to fill it up. Drain plug back in. Copper washers look good, so just left them on. So it's my syringe full, roughly 150ml, so it should take this one easy. Tube in, see what happens. Nice and steady. That's it filled up again. That's not it full yet, that's just where I've just spilled all of it. So, should take another 100 roughly. I've got 150 in tube, so let's see what happens. Make sure the hose is right in. If it's go steady, then I won't get it come back on me. I don't get a false reading when it's full. Should be 250ml-ish is about there now. Keep going. Maybe it's 300 now. That's 300ml, I'm still not overflowing, so I'll put a bit more in the syringe again. Put another 50ml in syringe, let's see what happens. There it goes. And that's it, just starting to come out now. There we go. Right. Let's double check that was it overflowing. Then maybe my hose was stopping it overflowing too easily. So that's 350ml I've put in there. Put a touch more in, so I'm 100% sure that it's full. Yeah, it's definitely full now, is that? 100% full. Could have bought a bit of spare oil. So I'll just leave that now to stop draining out. And that should be it. So that's just about stopped dripping now. I think it's 300. So I think it's definitely about 50ml come out of there. So I'll just put the filler plug back in. It's still dripping a bit. I might just wait a minute. Still a little bit coming out. I'll double check the book, double check my manual. Might be 300. But that many different values are made from doing all different oils on this thing. Filler plug back in, make sure you get your copper washer on it. If you're doing loads of road miles in these, you want to be checking these quite often because it is a weak point. You can fit the hub vent kits. And that's it. Job done, piece of piss. If any of your copper washers are knackered and need changing, they're M14. So that's that. I won't bore you with a real long video of me doing other three because they're all exactly the same. Waste of time. We're doing that. But yeah, hopefully that helps someone out who's not 100% sure on how to do it, but absolute doddle. Literally, if you're not filming it, 10 minutes each one. Really easy. Cheers, guys.